Hi, classmate. My name is Jorge Piñeres. I'm 52 years old. I'm a technical and environmental technician. I work in a company of the electrical sector. I'm married and I have two kids. I'm a calm and collaborative person. I live in Bello, Antioquia. Audio 1. Number 1. The white bicycle is less showy than the black bicycle. The black bicycle is more beautiful than the white bicycle. The black bicycle is as interesting than the white bicycle. The white bicycle is smaller than the black bicycle. The black bicycle is higher than the white bicycle. The black bicycle runs more than the white bicycle. Thank you.